Steph at Glo Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our summer calming trio. We've curated 3 of our most soothing and nourishing bestsellers in one handy kit so that you can keep your complexion calm and comfortable this summer and beyond. Discover 3 ways to calm, soothe, and replenish the complexion with a cooling mist, a restorative serum, and nourishing moisturizer. Powered by aloe vera, antioxidants, and hydrating botanicals, this trio works together to restore, repair, and quench unsettled, dehydrated, or sensitive skin. Apply Phytocalm Flower Mist to freshly cleanse skin as a soothing toner, then spritz throughout the day to calm the complexion. Add Corrective Soothing Serum to restore and strengthen skin. Follow with a Phytocalm Aloe Hydrator for a surge of moisture. Pro tip, try putting your Phytocalm Flower Mist in the fridge for an extra cooling spritz. Perfectly curated for maximum complexion comfort, this skin-zen kit will be your new go-to for replenished radiance and a nourished, hydrated summer glow.